Hi all, I am Prabhat Sahu. Welcome back to my channel Database Concepts Made Easy. Today in session 2, I am going to share ideas on RDBMS and its properties. Today's agenda will be RDBMS, Relational Database Properties and generic features of SQL. Let's start with RDBMS. A Relational Database Management System is a collection of programs and its capabilities that enables the user to interact with the relational database. Here the user means it may be IT team or any other user who is going to deal with the database. A database management system supports the development, administration and the use of database platforms. A relational database management system is a type of DBMS with a row-based table structure, means that connects related data elements and include the functionality that maintains the property like security, accuracy, integrity and consistency of the data. Most commercial RDBMS use SQL, structured query language, to access the database. In general, a database stores set of data that can be queried by SQL for use in other applications. The most basic RDBMS functions are related to CRUD cycle. That is, CRUD means create, read, update and delete operations, which is collectively known as CRUD cycle. They form the foundation of a well-organized system that promotes consistent treatment of data. Next, relational database properties. A RDBMS is easily accessible by structured query language commands present in RDBMS to manipulate the data. SQL is a ISO standard language to interact with RDBMS. And RDBMS provides full data independence. Here, the data independence means the organization of the data is independent of the application that using the RDBMS. You do not need to specify the access route of the data source or the table from where the SQL query is getting the data. Also, you do not need to know how data is physically arranged in the database. The basic unit of data storage in a relational database is called a table. A table consists of tuples or rows or records, and each record have one or more number of columns used to store the values. For access purpose, the order of the rows and column is insignificant. You can control the access or access the order of as required. When querying the database, you use conditional operations such as join and restrictions. Here, the join combines the data from separate database rows, and the restrictions limits the specific rows written by the query. And RDBMS enables data sharing between users. At the same time, you can ensure consistency of data across multiple tables by using integrity constraint. And RDBMS use various type of data integrity constraint. This type includes entity integrity constraint, column integrity constraint, referential integrity constraint, and user defined integrity constraint. The entity integrity constraint ensures uniqueness of the rows. Second, the column integrity ensures consistency of the type of data within a column. Third, the referential integrity, it ensures validity of foreign key within a table or between two separate tables. And the user defined constraints that use to enforce the specific business rules. And RDBMS minimize the redundancy of the data. This means similar data is not repeated in multiple tables, or if it is repeated, it should be minimal with for specific purpose. Next, features of SQL: high performance, high availability, easy to learn and use, robust transactional support. Functionally, it should be complete. It should be highly secure, comprehensive application development, and management edge. Here, high performance means Performance of SQL queries should be good. High availability means zero downtime for the SQL and the queried data. And SQL query should be easy to learn and use. And SQL should be highly secure. And SQL should support comprehensive application development. And it should be platform independent and architecture independent. And it should be easily manageable. Thank you guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this session, please do like and share with your near and dear, and subscribe my channel to get update on more technical concepts on database. In my upcoming session 3 and 4, I'll cover the following topics. In session 3, I'll cover relational database technology and various types of SQL statement in Oracle. And in session 4, I'll cover SQL buffer and use of editor, and connecting to Oracle using SQL star prompt, saving the SQL buffer text as a script and execute those script, and also use of spool file. Thank you.